Hello student, today we start 88 sum. If A equal to matrix 1 minus sin theta minus 1, sin theta 1 minus sin theta, 1 sin theta 1, then for all theta belongs to 3 pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4, determinant A lies in interval dash. Okay, so first of all, here we take determinant of A equal to 1 minus sin theta minus 1 sin theta 1 minus sin theta 1 sin theta 1. Now we add this third column into first. C1 plus C3, we get answer is 2 0 0. Then sin theta 1 minus sin theta 1 sin theta 1. Now we just simplify it, 2 bracket 1 plus sin square theta, right? Now this is our first result. Now we have theta lies in for 3 pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. So we go for this topic. Okay, so theta belongs to 3 pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. Therefore, sin theta belongs to sin 5 pi by 4 and sin 3 pi by 4, because here sin function is decreasing. Therefore, sin theta belongs to minus 1 upon root 2 to 1 upon root 2. Okay, now we take the square. Then we have sin square theta belongs to 0 to 1 by 2. Right? 0 to 1 by 2. Now we add 1 plus sin square theta. Then it belongs to 1 to 3 by 2. Okay, here 0 is included. 1 to 3 by 2. We multiply by 2, then we get 1 plus sin square theta belongs to 2 to 3. Right? Now here we have some intervals, and if you see that 3 by 2 to 3, this interval, this is subset of 3 by 2 to 3. So our answer is B. B is the answer of our question. So remember, this sum is very important. In 2019 it is asked. Okay. Then we go for the next one. 89. An order pair alpha and beta for system 1 plus alpha x plus beta y plus z equal to 2. Alpha x plus 1 plus beta y plus z is 3. Alpha x plus beta y plus 2z equal to 2 has unique solution 2019, and the answers are also given there. Okay, so we just try for solve it. Okay, now first of all, here it is given that the system has unique solution. So system has unique solution, therefore its determinant is not equal to system has unique solution. Therefore, 1 plus alpha beta 1, alpha 1 plus beta 1, alpha beta and 2, which is not equal to 0. So this is our first simplification. Now, okay, then what do we do? Here we just simplify, means third row we add or we subtract into 1 and 2. R1 minus R3, R2 minus R3. So therefore 1 0 minus 1 0 1 minus 1, alpha beta and 2 is not equal to 0. Therefore here we just solve it, then we get 1 bracket 2 plus beta minus 1 into alpha is not equal to 0, means just a minute, minus alpha, therefore alpha plus beta plus 2 is not equal to 0. It means what? Alpha plus beta is never become minus 2. Okay, from this clue, if you see that here alpha and beta is never become minus 2. If here you see in this 2, then it become minus 2, right? Here also it is minus 2. but when you see this one, alpha and beta, okay, alpha and beta, so here alpha plus beta 1, then C is the answer. So here 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, which is not equal to minus 2. Therefore we can say that C 2 4 is answer, right? So this is the order pair alpha beta where the answer is, otherwise in all the three have minus 2 answer. Okay, now we go for the next one. Okay, 90. In 19th sum, let P is equal to 1 0 0 3 1 0 9 3 1 and Q equal to Qij be 3 by 3 matrices and Q minus P raised to 5 equal to I3, then Q21 plus Q31 upon Q32 is equal to dash. This is also asked in 2019 and A is 15, B is okay. Question 90. Let P is equal to 1 0 0 3 1 0 9 3 1, Q is equal to Qij be 3 by 3 matrices, Q minus P raised to 5 equal to I3, then Q21 plus Q31 upon Q32 is equal to dash. In 2019 this question can be asked. Okay. Okay, so here P square is equal to 1 0 0 3 1 0 9 3 1 and 1 0 0 3 1 0 9 3 1 is equal to 1, then 0, then 0, okay, then 3 plus 3, then 0 1 0 0 0, okay, 9 plus 9 plus 9, then 0 3 plus 3 and 0 0 1. Okay, so this way we have 1 0 0 2 into 3 1 0 3 into 9 2 into 3 1. This is our P square. Okay. Okay, then same way, so here 9 plus 9 plus 9, 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3 is there. Therefore we can say that either 3 into 2 or 2 into 3 and here 3 into 9. Now P cube, we want to obtain P cube, then it is P into P square. So P square is this one and P is this. Now from the resultant matrix is 1 0 0, 3 into 3 1 0, 9 into 6 3 3 1. So here we have 3, then here 6. Same way in P4 we carry forward, then we have somewhere 9 and here we have 9 into 15. P raised to 5 we have 9 into 15 and here all the terms are same, but here 3 into 5, 3 into 5 and here 9 into 15s are there. Now this is our first result. Now we have P raised to 5 is equal to Q minus I3. It is given Q minus I3. Alright. Okay. So if you see that P raised to 5 equal to Q minus I3 or Q equal to P raised to 5 plus I3. So we just put the value of P raised to 5 and I3. If we take the addition, then we have Q equal to 2 0 0, 15 2 0, 135 15 and 3. Now we want to obtain this Q21 plus Q31 upon Q32. Q21 second row first column is 15 plus Q31 135 upon 15. 3 2 is 15. So we have 150 upon 15, it is 10. Therefore our answer is 10. D. D is the answer. This is good sum. in 2019 it is asked. Okay, 91, the system x plus y plus z equal to 2, 2x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 5, 2x plus 3y plus a square minus 1z equal to a plus 1 is dash. 2019 question is there, has infinitely many solution for a equal to 4, inconsistent for determinant of modulus of a is root 3, inconsistent for a equal to 4, unique solution for determinant of a is equal to root 3. Here, when we simplify for determinant, a is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, a square minus 1, and when we simplify it, we have a square minus 3. Now, for a square minus 3 means what? Therefore, if determinant of a equal to 0, then mod a equal to root 3. Therefore, we can say that at determinant of a equal to 0, the system has infinitely many solutions or no solution. Then system has infinitely many solution or no solution. Therefore, we can say that B, the system is inconsistent for mod A equal to root 3. Therefore, the system is inconsistent for mod A equal to root 3. So remember this thing very carefully, that you want to choose that which is the answer. Okay, so we have the answer is B. B is our option. So remember this thing very carefully. Now we go for the next one. Next sum, 92. Okay, 92 sum. If A is equal to metric cos theta minus sin theta cos theta, then A raised to minus 50 is what? Where theta is equal to pi by 12 and A raised to minus 50 is A raised to inverse raised to 50. Okay, 2019 question. Here first of all, determinant of A is equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. And adjoint of A is equal to A inverse, which is cos theta, sin theta and minus sin theta. Right? This is our first answer. Now we find A inverse square. Then it is cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta and cos theta. Same way, cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, cos theta. If we multiply then cos square minus sin square, it is cos 2 theta. Then cos theta sin theta, 2 sin means sin 2 theta, minus sin 2 theta, and this is cos 2 theta. Right? So square is 2 theta. Same way cube is 3 theta. And so on. We have A raised to 50. A inverse raised to 50 is equal to, same way, A inverse raised to 50 is equal to cos 50 theta minus sin 50 theta, sin 50 theta, cos 50 theta. Right? Now we just put the value of theta here, which is pi by 12. So it is pi by 12. Then we have cos 20, pi by 12 means 25 pi by 6. Same way sin 25 pi by 6 minus sin 25 pi by 6 and cos 25 pi by 6. Now this lies in which quadrant? So here if you see that, then this lies in the first quadrant, because 25 pi means 24 plus pi means it is in first quadrant. So we have cos pi by 6, sin pi by 6, minus sin pi by 6 and cos pi by 6. So we know that the value is root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. So this way we can obtain our answer is a raised to minus 1 raised to a inverse raised to 50 is root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. This is our answer. Okay, then we go for the next 93. Okay, next 93. In 93, if A is equal to matrix A equal to e raised to t, e raised to t, e raised to t, e raised to minus t cos t, minus e raised to minus t cos t, minus e raised to minus t sin t, 2 e raised to minus t sin t, minus e raised to minus t sin t, minus e raised to minus t sin t, plus e raised to minus t cos t, minus 2 e raised to minus t cos t. Then A is dash. Invertible for t equal to pi by 2, not invertible for t belongs to 1, invertible for t belongs to 1, or invertible for only t equal to pi. So here first of all, here just we find, first of all, we just simplify here, determinant of A is equal to e raised to t, e raised to t, e raised to t, e raised to minus t cos t, minus e raised to minus t cos t, minus e raised to minus t sin t, 2 e raised to minus t sin t, e raised to minus t sin t, minus e raised to minus t sin t, plus e raised to minus t cos t, minus 2 e raised to minus t cos t. Right? So first of all, e raised to t is common from first column, e raised to minus t common from second column, and e raised to minus t common from third column. So C1 1 upon e raised to t, C2 1 upon e raised to minus t, and C3 1 upon e raised to minus t is there. So we have e raised to t into e raised to minus t into e raised to minus t. So we have 1 1 1 cos t minus cos t sin t, 2 sin t minus sin t plus cos t minus 2 cos t is there. Right? Now we just simplify here and we obtain the answer that just we add this first row, or we subtract this first row into second and third. Okay, then we get our answer. Okay, so first R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1. Okay, R3 minus R1, or you just take R2. You have anything. So here we have e raised to minus t. Here 1 0 0. Then cos t, sin t, then we have cos t is minus 2 cos t, minus sin t, minus 2 sin t, plus cos t. Then here, if you subtract this, then minus 3 sin t, plus cos t, and then this plus and minus 3 cos t plus sin t. This is our result. Now we just simplify here and cross multiply and just simplify something. Then we get our answer and then we discuss about it. Okay. So here we just simplify and we just take the cross multiplication of these two. Then we have 6 cos square t minus 2 cos t sin t plus 3 cos t sin t minus sin square t minus 6 sin square t plus 3 cos t sin t minus 2 sin t cos t plus cos square t. When we simplify, then only cos square t and sin square t terms are left. 6 in bracket cos square t plus sin square t and sin square t cos square t with negative sign is left. So here this is 1, this is also 1, 6 minus 1 is 5. So 5 e raised to minus t is not equal to 0. for all P belongs to R. So we can say that C is the answer, that A is invertible for all T belongs to R. So this is our answer B. B is our answer. This sum is also good sum. Okay, so this way we can find our answer. So very carefully you remember this thing and simplify it. Okay, now we go for the next one. Okay, next 94. If A equal to 0, 5, 0, 0 and fx equal to I plus x square plus up to plus x raised to 16, then what is fa? So here all answers are given, but we first find A square. A square equal to 0, 5, 0, 0 and 0, 5, 0, 0. Okay. So here first of all 0, then 0, 0, 0. Okay. So it is 0. So now we can say that A cube, A4 is equal to up to A raised to 16. All are 0 because 0 matrix multiply with any matrix, then we can obtain or we obtain 0. Okay. So therefore fx is equal to, or fa is equal to what? I plus A square plus up to plus A raised to 16. But here from A2 to A16 all are 0. So we have only two terms are left, which is I and A. 1, 0, 0, 1 plus A is 0, 5, 0, 0. So it is 1, 5, 0, 1. This is our answer. 1, 5, 0, 1. B is the answer. So this way we obtain our answer. Now we go for the next one. 95. 95. If fx equal to x square plus 4x minus 5y and a equal to 1, 2, 4 minus 3, then fa equal to dash. So here first fa is equal to a square plus 4a minus 5i. Right? This is our first result. So first of all we find a square. 1, 2, 4 minus 3 and 1, 2, 4 minus 3. So we get first is 1, 8, 9. Then 2 minus 6 minus 4, then 4 minus 12 minus 8, and then 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9, it is 17. Okay. So we have a square equal to 9 minus 4 minus 8 and 17. Now fa is equal to 9 minus 4 minus 8, 17 plus 4a, means all the terms of a we multiply by 4 minus 12 plus 5y or plus minus 5, 0, 0, 5 minus 5. Then we have 8, 4, then 16 means 8 and 17 minus 0. So our answer is B. Right? So this is our answer. Now we go for the next one. Okay, next sum. If A and B are 2 by 2 matrix, then determinant of A plus B equal to 0 implies dash. So here first of all we take A equal to A small a, B, C, D, and B is equal to, we take anything, B is equal to, we just take P, Q, R, S. So determinant of A plus B is equal to A plus B, B plus Q, C plus R and D plus S. If this equal to 0, it means what? A plus P into D plus S minus B plus Q into C plus R is equal to 0. Therefore, AD plus AS plus PD plus BS minus BC minus BR plus QC minus QR equal to 0. Not plus but minus. Now, AD minus BC we take it together plus PS minus QR. PS minus QR, we just take bit together. So AD, BC, PS, QR are made together plus AS plus PD minus PR minus QC are there. So this therefore is equal to 0. Therefore this is determinant of A plus this is determinant of B plus AS plus PD minus PR minus QC. So here we cannot find any value of ABCD or anything. Therefore we can say that therefore none of this is the result. Okay, D is our answer. Not determinant A is not 0, B is not 0, or anything is non-zero. Therefore we can say that none of this will be the answer. Okay.